In this question, you have to point out the cofactor of the enzyme carboxypeptidase. Option A, flavin. It is incorrect because flavin is a coenzyme which is usually associated with enzymes. For example, flavin adenine dinucleotide, that is FAD. Option B, heme. It is also incorrect because heme is a component of hemoglobin and also some enzymes involved in electron transport, but it is not related to carboxypeptidase. Option C, zinc. Now, carboxypeptidase is a metal enzyme. That is, it requires a metal ion for its catalytic activity. And zinc is the essential cofactor for carboxypeptidase, helping in the hydrolysis of peptide bonds at the carboxy terminal ends of proteins. Hence, this is the correct answer. Option D, niacin. It is also incorrect because niacin or vitamin B3 is a cofactor of NAD or NADH but not of carboxypeptidase.